be showing you how to make a solar helicopter. I got this set from this box that is from the STEM set kit, and it's the 3D wooden puzzles. I got it for my birthday. Now here are the parts. We have a bag with the motor, the solar panels because it's solar, and then we have a bit of tape and a few wires and a gear. And we also have the main parts, and these are all made of pure wood. Now let's get started. We will install the gear onto the generator. Now we're going to build the tail. So first let's pop out the main part. Now we're done. This is the solar helicopter. Now to charge it, we have to put it in the sun, and it's gonna fly, I think.